things are happening fast, Pete. Maybe too fast. Okay, I gotta keep this short. Chuck hacked into an encrypted database about Ace Lightning. He downloaded it onto a floppy. We're just not sure what it is. Maybe, just maybe, it might tell us where Kilobyte came from.
Sweet. Yeah. Yeah, hi, Rick. I'm just whistling while I work.
Uh-huh. Well, you're not paid to whistle, so just keep it down out here. I'm busy.
I am too. This floppy puppy. Oh, yeah. It's a whole new game.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Whoa. Last time I saw a storm like that was when Ace Lightning came alive.
Inside voices, dude. Rick's in his fortress of freakitude. Brace yourself, bro. Kilobyte's got some killer moves.
Oh, I don't believe it. It's Kilobyte design program.
Yeah, and he doesn't ride alone.
So if Kilobyte's not from the game, where is he from?
Maybe he's from a new game, or some cool upgrades.
No, it can't be. We'd have known about it. Unless it's a secret game. Like a game within a game.
Oh, yeah, you know, of course. Yeah, put your seatbelt on, dude. We're going in.
Don't forget to lock up Chuck.
Hey, Rick, it's cool. He's with me.
Actually, it's not cool. This is not your personal hangout. It's a place of business.
Actually, it's my fault. I came in here to get out of the rain.
Well then. If anything's missing, I'll know who took it. And I'll know who to fire.
I think he's starting to warm up to me.
Yeah, right. Come on, let's find out where Kilobyte came from.
Done.
For crying out loud. Not again.
I am Kilobyte, the cyber stalker.
Yeah. Let me guess. You're looking for Lord Fear. Well, he's in the haunted house, but if I was you, I'd knock first. Lord Fear doesn't like his friends popping in on him. Cyber stalker.
I am no friend of fear.
So Kilobyte hides in the Ferris wheel.
But if he's not from the game, how did he get there? What's his connection with Lord Fear?
Oh, here's one. Kilobyte/Lord Fear. Ask, and you shall receive.
Look, pal, I don't know what fish tank you crawled out of, but, memo to Kilobyte, Lord Fear's the ruler of this world.
You're right, Rat. Lord Fear should be the ruler of this world, but he has been infected by the mortal realm.
Well, can you blame him? There's so much to do here. Play games, listen to music, and LF's personal favorite, TV.
Shut up.
You're the one who watches the shopping channel.
You have become soft like the mortals you were sent to enslave. Your emotions have made you weak. All that is about to change.
Anvil not weak! Keep down! Stand still so Anvil can hurt you!
Blimey, it's an energy drain!
I don't get it. Why is he sapping our strength?
You have wasted your power, and so it shall return to its rightful owner.
What's with these guys? It's like they hate each other.
Yeah. Lord Fear doesn't know where Kilobyte came from either. And Kilobyte's returning Anvil's power to its rightful owner? What's that about?
Slow down, dude. We'll crack this code, okay? Just stay cool and chillax like me. This store's kind of creepy at night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so's this disc. Come on, let's play the rest of the file.
Stuffhead, blast some sense into this overgrown octopus. Now to finish what I started.
Now it's my turn.
It's not possible. Not even Ace Lightning could have withstood that attack.
Never underestimate my powers again. Or next time, you won't be so lucky.
Okay, that was weird. Kilobyte made Lord Fear look like Lord Flea. Which means Kilobyte's the ultimate evil. But who's controlling Kilobyte?
Someone powerful, someone vicious, someone...
Named Fred?
Bring me the wasp.
Okay.
Boy, you cartoons have done some crazy stuff before. But why'd anyone want to get stung by a wasp?
It's all about power. Once the wasp stung me, it took on my powers. See how it grows and mutates? I named him Fred.
You're gonna call that thing Fred?
What's wrong with Fred? I like it.
It's a great name, boss. But just out of curiosity, what's Fred gonna eat?
Who knows? Maybe he likes rats.
Fred? What a name for a giant bug. I mean, why didn't he call it Brain Crush or something?
Brain Crush.
He's better than Fred.
Hey, there's a file on Lady Illusion.
I'm all over it.
Come on, don't keep the new boss waiting.
You sent for me?
Your talents here are wasted. I can give you powers you've never dreamed of. The power to destroy Ace Lightning. Feel the hatred growing inside you. How he betrayed you for sparks. And when the time is right, you'll give Ace Lightning the one thing he's never had. The pitiful feelings of a human being.
But how can feelings destroy him?
Because those are my rules. And you play by my rules now.
And Kilobyte's rules rule. Right, boss? No!
His rules. So Kilobyte does control the game. It's all starting to make sense.
No, it doesn't. What Kilobyte knows about Ace, Fear, Lady Illusion, it's like he's been there watching them the entire time.
Oh, right. And that's how he's been able to control the game.
Wrong. If Kilobyte really controlled the game, he'd have used his powers to have won by now. Unless...
Unless what? Come on, dude, don't leave me
Unless
hanging.
somebody else created Kilobyte to take over the game. Who?
And why?
Chuck, there's somebody out there.
Oh, it must be Rick. If he finds the store open, he's gonna fire me for sure. I mean,
Not if he doesn't know we're here.
That was close.
Yeah. Ace Emotions files. Let's look at that one.
How does this thing work?
Chuck? Chuck!
Chuck! Oh my God, Chuck. What did Lord Fear do to you?
It wasn't fear, kid. It was me.
You?
It was an accident. I didn't mean to send him into the data stream. Don't worry, we'll find a piece of the amulet and bring him back.
It doesn't work that way for humans, Ace. You can't just bring him back. Once he stops for good. Chuck?
What happened?
It's my fault. I couldn't control my anger.
Oh, I looked awful. They didn't even get my good side on my hair. Oh my. Way too much mousse.
Chuck! Somebody's recording us. Which means somebody's watching us.
Who?
I don't know. Probably the same person who's trying to destroy Ace by scrambling his program with human emotions. Somebody like a master programmer or something.
Huh?
What is it?
Rick left his door unlocked.
Oh, great. Chuck, I'm telling you about a master programmer who's probably controlling everything, and all you're worried about is an unlocked door.
Oh, dude, this is huge. Oh, Rick never leaves his Fortress of Solitude unlocked.
Why? What's in it?
Too afraid to ask. Whatever's inside's a major secret. Oh, look at all the hard drives. He's got a mainframe. There must be 1 billion gigs in here. It's like the sweetest computer dream come true.
Guess Rick's a major gamer, huh?
Oh, are you kidding me? He caught me playing the Ace game once and majorly freaked.
So if this isn't used for games, what is it for?
Something huge.
What is it?
It's some kind of mega console. I bet you could run the whole world from here.
Or create a world. So, Chuck, what exactly does this do?
I don't know. I'm so creeped out, man. I'm so gonna get fired. And I so don't care. Let me at it. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah.
Spill it, rat. What did you freaks do to me? Why am I changing?
I didn't do nothing, Ace, I swear. It was Lady Illusion. She gave you human emotions on direct orders from Kilobyte.
Kilobyte? Never heard of him.
Oh, Ace. Did I hurt your feelings? Well, catch this, sweetie.
No wonder Ace is frightened of him. Fighting Kilobyte is like committing suicide.
Oh, wait. There's more.
Ride's over. Time to go back where you came from.
Oh, my prey learns quickly. But the victory is mine. I'm tired of toying with you, Lightning. Next time, it's for real.
Whoa! Whoever programmed this rig is royally messed up.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
It's probably just a storm, but I'd better go check anyway. I didn't find anything.
But I did. It's a file. On you.
I'll drain your power, mortal.
You attacked from behind when he wasn't looking? Now who's the coward?
Keep going.
Oh yeah, we can't stop now. What's the next file?
That one.
I've brought my greatest quarry to bay. Haven't you learned by now, Lightning? The element of surprise means everything.
Step into the light, evil ones!
Step into the light, evil ones.
Sounded better at home.
So bright!
Yeah, but let's just remember, we didn't outpower Kilobyte, we just outsmarted him. I think that's the only way we can beat him.
Oh, duh, dude. The human brain rules. Email files, what's this?
What's your feeling about this, Pete? Hey, that's my email. I got back from England.
Mine too.
Why would Rick want to intercept our mail?
I don't know. Why would a grown man have a fortress of solitude in a computer shop? The guy's a net nut, a super highway super freak, you know? I'm telling you, Rick is
the guy who programmed Ace Lightning.
Very impressive, Mr. Hollander. You should have been a detective.
We weren't snooping, we were just...
Uncovering my secrets? No matter. Tonight, it ends. I've modified Kilobyte's program. He will be unstoppable. The Lightning Knights are finished.
You're mad.
Mad? As in crazy? You think I'm crazy too?
I don't think you're crazy, Rick. Do you think he's crazy, Mark? No.
It's the world that's crazy. I'm the sane one. Just no one ever understood my genius. You think I want to waste my time entertaining punks like you when I could have been the next Bill Gates?
Rick's been having kind of a bad night. Maybe we better go.
No. You've come this far. Let me tell you the rest. See, I was a design engineer that worked for a video game producer, and I created a program that could bring the Ace Lightning characters to life. Players could actually interact with them. They could see them. They could touch them. And you know what happened? I was mocked. I was ridiculed. I was fired. wasn't gonna let that stop me. No. You know what I did? I took my experimental Ace Lightning game and put it in with the normal video games.
That's the version of the game I got.
Exactly. All I needed was a power surge to boot up the disc.
And the day Ace came to life, my house was struck by lightning.
Everything was perfect. Lord Fear's gang was programmed to take over the world and prove my programming genius. But Ace kept defeating Fear. Because he kept getting help. From you two! You're the reason I had to create Kilobyte to destroy Ace. You're the reason I had to open this useless store to orchestrate my final victory. But as of tomorrow, the entire world will bow down to me. Rick Hummel.
So, does this mean I still have a job here?
You never had a job. Just wanted to keep an eye on you. I knew you were good with the hard drive. And with his courage, the two of you could have defeated me. Oh, and you were so close. But as soon as I take this disk and upload the information to Kilobyte, increasing his power, no one in the world will be able to stop me. You will all be my slaves. Nobody will ever laugh at me again. Hey.
What's that? What's happening?
Power outage.
No, with no power, I'll have no control. Oh, the Kilobyte won't obey me. He won't obey anybody. Come on, dude, come on. Oh, okay. All right, I think everything's okay. I think everything's perfect.
Too late, mortal. You created me, but you can't destroy me. You're my slave now.
What have I done? No!
No mortal will control me again. Now I will command this world on my own.